Hello, this is the answer homework question for number 7 on 15.8. And this points us to calculate the thrust by using Stokes' theorem. Okay, so Stokes' theorem is this is ds. Okay, so we definitely don't want to use this side. The reason is if you use this side, you need to go C1, C2, C3. So no, that's for sure no. And then this side probably be easier. So this side we need to calculate the code first. So we are given F is equal to F equal 2y, 3z, and x. Okay, and that's the F. And then we're going to find the code. You know how to find the code, so I'm not going to do it here. But I tell you what I get. The code comes out equal to -3, -1, and -2. Now I need to find the n. Okay, to find n, well, I need to get the normal vector for the plane, right? So because this outward, they tell you this is a positive orient. Positive orient means a counterclockwise. So it's a open surface. So it's a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. This is 3 vortex. So it did not. Okay, it sees oriented counterclockwise. Sees oriented counterclockwise from above. So that means counterclockwise. So by right hand rule of thumb, so going up. So here is your n. Okay, so n is a normal vector perpendicular to the plane. So now to get the normal vector, we need to find 2 vectors cross each other. That's the normal vector. So I find a vector u and vector v. So my u is equal to 0 subtract 2, 2 subtract 0, 0 subtract 0. So that comes like a -2, 2, and 0. And my v is equal to 0 subtract 2, 0 subtract 0, and then 2 subtract 0. So that comes like a -2, 0, and then 2. Take the cross product these ones, so n is equal to u cross v. And then you guys know how to do cross product, so I'm not going to solve it to you. And it comes like a 4, 4, 4. But this is because this is a plane, a normal vector for plane, so therefore it can take out the 4, so become 1 and 1 and 1. Okay, and the last thing is we're going to dot them together. So co f dot n is just equal to -3 plus -1 minus a 2, -6. It's a constant. That's very nice. But it's a constant. That means I just need to multiply the area for the triangle. How come? Because when you look down, now when you look at this from the positive z direction, all you see is just this a whole object sinking and just seeing this one. Okay, so when you look down, okay, when you look this direction, okay, look down here. So let's say this is your eyes. You look this way, all you see is this triangle right here. Okay, so I'm going to draw the triangle here. So my y is a 0, 2. You don't have a z anymore. When you project down to the xy plane, you only have an x and y coordinate. So this is 2 and 0. And you just need to find the area. This is a triangle. Okay, because the constant, so I don't even need to integrate. If you have to integrate, you have to do the cutting like this. But I don't need to because this is a constant. So my first okay is equal to, like this, your region R. Okay, area this then base 1/2 base times the high. Base is equal to 2, high is equal to 2. So it comes out equal to -12. Okay, so that's how you do this problem number 7. If you guys have any question, feel free to contact me. I just need to do a video so that way everybody can see it.